बस एक डेमोक्रेसी का क्या करोगे? डेमोक्रेसी से नौकरी नहीं आती है, डेमोक्रेसी से खाना नहीं आता है, डेमोक्रेसी से घर नहीं बनते हैं। सो नाउ पीपल आर सेइंग व्हाट डू वी डू विद दैट डेमोक्रेसी? लुक एट नेपाल. Nepal had a monarchy. It had such a bad and bloody end with the palace massacre. And then in the last 2 decades तो नहीं हुए, a little less than that, एक सरकार अमूमन 1 साल भी नहीं चलती है. This is the ultimate game of thrones. पीपल की वही 3 पार्टीज हैं, कभी वो 2 पार्टनर बन जाते हैं, कभी 2 एलाइज बन जाते हैं, फिर वो कहते हैं ठीक है हम पावर शेयरिंग करेंगे, फिर जब उसका प्राइम मिनिस्टर का हटने का समय आता है वो कहता है मैं नहीं हटूंगा, फिर सरकार गिर जाती है. That is what's happening. Young people who not read history are now protesting in Nepal saying we want the monarchy back because democracy is not working. So democracy is not perfect. Democracy is not the answer to all the problems, but it's your best bet. You have to make it work.
And why do you think कि अगर जिन nations में dictatorship थी, monarchy थी, autocracy थी, उन nations में जब protest होके जैसे तैसे करके democracy लोग लेके आ गए, for example Egypt and Nepal, फिर democracy चल नहीं रही है?
क्योंकि institutions नहीं है, क्योंकि आपने vacuum create कर दी, उस vacuum को भरेगा कौन? आपको पता नहीं है. The revolution, the overthrow of a dictator is the easy part. The rebuilding of a country is the harder part.
Yeah.
Because when you're trying to rebuild, then a lot of players come and say कि भाई ये हमने किया, हमें भी, we all want to be. And whenever there are 2 or more people, there is a power structure.
Yes.
One person wants to lead or 2 people. The more contending leaders, the more chaos. And these are leaders who have never operated in a democratic framework. They don't know what it is like. I mean, think of something like South Korea, which is seen as like a mature democracy now, yes, of late. What did their president do? He brought in martial law. But the institutions were so strong that despite the pressure, despite the resistance, the parliament met and vetoed it and restored the system.
Yeah.
That is the strength of institutions. Your courts, your security forces, they have to be able to operate independently.
Not under the influence.
Not under the influence of those in power. Only then will a democracy function.